Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Fire 620. And in this video we're going to ride this set of elevators, which I believe are the west elevators that are part of the Port Central Square office building in Highland Park, Illinois. Now, unlike those elevators over there, even though they're still Dover, these ones are impulse, while those ones are traditional. So I think these were installed a little later than the other ones. But nonetheless, we'll take it for a ride and see which one arrives. And it looks like we got Moment of Truth, right elevator. It's got a C-pitch chime. Interesting. So now we're going to go up to 2. If we can or not. Does not look like it. So let's go to the lobby. So here at the lobby. You need to scan a badge, it looks like, in order to access 2. So let's send it down to P2. Ring the bell. So there goes that one. And now we'll try to get this left elevator right here. Yeah, it looks like it's here. There's someone on it. I'm going to point the camera away. Alright, so now we're going on the P2. And unlike the other elevator, this one actually smells like perfume. The other one kind of smelled like a restaurant. So let's get a cab view. So much the other one except mirrored. Anyways, there's your directional lantern right there. Floor indicator. It's your inspection certificate. This one also has a badge reader, in which you cannot access the second floor. So anyways, here's your COP. Notice we're in elevator 1 this time. I think the other COP had said elevator 2. Now you're not closing up. Here's your phone. And we'll ring the bell. Oh, I actually meant. Oops. I ring. Looks like I. Okay. Well, I was expecting that if I push that button, this elevator's bell will ring, but it somehow rung that elevator since it was on this floor. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.